Hi there, this is Ryan Hunter with TechWise Academy. Learn to Code in Scratch for Kids, Foundation of Coding is a step-by-step course to walk students through the process of designing a video game using the popular platform Scratch. And Scratch is a fantastic tool developed by MIT to teach your young student about coding. The visual blocks make it great for new coders, and the advanced functionality gives plenty of room for your student to grow. But this is not your normal how-to for building games with Scratch. Our program intentionally focuses on developing critical thinkers, creative problem solvers, and curious students by answering the why. This is a why course. Why would I want to use a loop here? Why do I need a conditional statement here? By concentrating on the problem-solving framework in computer science, computational thinking, we maximize your students' knowledge transfer to other subjects and other programming languages. Parents, you can get involved in the fun. We have created a companion course just for you. This course helps you encourage your student as they learn, and maybe you can have a little fun coding too. Find out what questions you should be asking your students. What exactly is your child learning? How can I help them if they get stuck? For an added value, this Parents Companion course is included for free with your student's course. So let's get started coding together.